Breaking news coming in on the BMC elections. Minutes after Thackeray's raise voter fraud charge, poll panel rejects Uddhav's charge. Election Commission says wiping ink will not help repeat voting. Election Commission in fact warns that voter record is tamper-proof. Warns against wiping ink after voting. This is breaking news that's just coming in. Minutes after Uddhav Thackeray claimed that voters were wiping off the indelible ink. Let's listen into what Uddhav Thackeray had said.
बाईचं नाव रवींद्र असेल का? पुरुष मतदाराच्या नावाच्या पुढे बाईचा फोटो. याच गोष्टी आम्ही मोर्चा काढून सांगितल्या होत्या, निवडणूक आयुक्तांच्या समोर ठेवल्या होत्या. त्याच्यानंतर शाई पुसल्या जाण्याच्या तक्रारी येत आहेत. तर हे सगळे निवडणूक जिंकण्यासाठी यांचा आटापिटा चाललेला आहे. बोटावरची शाई तर पुसली जातेच आहे. अशा प्रकारे यापूर्वी कधी झाले नव्हते.
And Vidya is joining me live on this story. Vidya, you've been looking at how the voting is going on. BMC polls, the country's richest civic body, and Uddhav and Raj Thackeray both raising serious allegations about voter fraud, saying that ink is being wiped off. People are raising several other allegations about the ballot papers, etc. What do we know about their allegations? And the Election Commission has denied it.
Well, the Election Commission has clearly said that there is a mechanism in place. Even if you, though in the first place you should not be, anyone who is voted should not be making sure that the ink which is put on their finger should be removed. But in case it is done, then they are saying that they will register FIRs, will put out cases against those people who do that. But secondly, remember, people from the Congress as well as their own leaders of the Thackerays, they have been putting out videos showing as to how, with a little bit of rub, the entire ink is just vanishing, and they are making this allegation that someone can actually vote again. But the, ECI, the State Election Commission has clearly stated that in this case, there is a mechanism in place where, they have not really elaborated what kind of mechanism, but they are saying that there is a mechanism in place which shows that, even if you remove the ink, you really cannot go back and vote again. But of course, there are probably quite a few cases wherein people have multiple locations where they can vote. So we'll really have to see whether, though the Thackerays and their, party workers have alleged that if they catch anyone who is voting twice, then that person will be thrashed, is something that they have, Sanjay Raut has said. However, we'll really have to see whether such cases come to the fore in the course of the day today.
This is a big allegation that the Thackerays are raising. They're claiming that markers are being used instead of indelible ink, that some sort of changed ink is being used. Do we have any, you just mentioned that they've also threatened that they will thrash anyone found to be voting again. Now, when the EC says that it is not possible for somebody to vote a second time, what exactly do they mean? Because so far there is no biometric based or ID based checking of voters in India.
Well, it certainly is not. But if you see just one of this tweet, if I can just show you, that has been put out by Congress leader Sachin Sawant. He shows in this entire video how this link video, he's speaking in this video as well. But then in this particular video, he shows as to how this link, ink that has been, the indelible ink that has been actually put on the finger gets removed. By the end of the video, you do see that ink getting removed. And he speaks about it in this entire post that he has sent in Marathi. So obviously, there are concerns being raised by all these people. But then obviously the ECI not buckling down, saying that their system is foolproof. It does not entertain any such measures that are being shown by the opposition parties. But we'll really have to see whether, someone actually does put out a video or someone, but then there's always a threat of FIR getting registered by the ECI of the State Election Commission in case someone does, get their themselves inked twice, as is being claimed by the opposition parties.
Well, so Vidya, what are you picking up from the political parties? What are they saying about these allegations? Because the Election Commission, and I'm repeating this question here, Election Commission is claiming voting is tamper-proof. What exactly is the EC saying about it? How is it tamper-proof?
Well, according to them, they have a system in place, a mechanism which makes sure that even if the ink is removed, because there are a number of people at the place, the voter list is accounted for. If in case a person comes back and wants to, in someone else's name, he wants to do it, then he can. But there are cases that everyone, generally comes to the fore as to how someone has voted their names in twice at two different places. So there are times when people have voted is what many of the party workers from the opposition are claiming. And that's one of the reasons why the Thakres, the Congress leaders, they are all saying that this is not a foolproof mechanism. But then ECI obviously claiming otherwise, saying that they will register cases against those who are trying to remove the ink and ensuring that they vote again at any other place.
All right, Vidya, stay on with me. We're getting some more breaking news coming in on this story.